Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I am preparing to go out to walk. I have completed my work week and I braided and banded my hair last night, shampooed it, preparing for my retightening today. And you know that always makes me excited. So after I got dressed, came in the mirror, I was going to wrap my head with a scarf. And then I really don't feel like doing that. And I knew that I was not going to take down my hair. So I looked at it for a while, and the thought came to me, will you ever cut off your black ends? And today, to me, according to my standards, these black ends look lovely because it's clean and it stands out. And so that is going to be one of my dilemmas. And I want you to comment. Just tell me what you think. But in the meantime, I had to determine what am I going to do with my hair. Since I'm not going to tie it up in a scarf, I said I'd try to do something where it still looks kind of cute. So I'm going to take these braids and cross them over in the bag. And then I'm going to take my trusty goodie clip and this is going to be sort of, I guess, my bang, maybe. Yeah, I'm just going to let that hang. I'm going to see what this looks like. There is really no tension on my hair right now. I just crossed them over. I didn't pull it to cause any kind of tension. So I want you to see this as I see it. It really looks like a braid in the back, and I like it for my walk. This is going to be a separate video. I just want to know what you think I should do with my black ends. But right now I think it's kind of cute. So at least for a while, and I don't know how long a while is, I'm going to keep these black ends. But I still want your opinion. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your continued support. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Have a wonderful day. My 360.